Hello everyone, my name is Vadim. I'm a designer and entrepreneur. I'm here to help you to reach the next level, the next skill. Discipline, strategic investment, and intuition are the key points that inspire me to push myself every day to reach my goals. Today, let's talk about the competition. It's a theme that seems interesting to share with you. We are currently living in a very competitive century in all sectors of the economy. We feel this change in our daily lives, at work, everywhere. Our relationship with ourselves, others, and society is very impacted by a paradigm of performance and power that fits the equals. Competition is the relationship of rivalry between the people or two companies in the international market, or two firms pursuing the same goal. A paradigm is in epistemology and in the human and social science a representation of the world, a way of seeing things, a coherence model of the world that resets on a defined foundation, disciplinary matrix, theoretical model, current of thought.